This is Dave with Scale and Control. In front of us we have our WLS430 stationary loader scale. It's designed for skid steers, backhoes, farm tractors, articulated loader scales. Got a 4.3 inch color graphical display measured from corner to corner, sunlight readable, ability to be read with polarized sunglasses. On the screen in front of us, plus button accumulates, minus button deducts the last load, C will clear out the accumulated weight, 0 will clear out the load in the bucket. In the window in front of us, I see that I've got 1,898 pounds. If I go ahead and I hit the accumulate button, it'll give me an accumulated weight total of 1,898, and I will have a bucket count of 1. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up a new load. I'm going to go ahead and accumulate it, and you'll see that we have 5,482 pounds. We have 2 buckets. If I was in an operation, say loading hay bales, and on the last load I just did, I noticed that I had moldy hay, I can go in and I can hit the minus button, and it's going to deduct the last bucket, changing the accumulated weight. I can go ahead and pick up fresh bales, hit the plus button, and I've now got 6,894 pounds. I can read in pounds, tons, kilograms, metric tons. Nice scale. This button here is, I go into my system, I can set up my printer settings, I go into my calibration of the scale. So navigation is real simple. We do have a small app that you can go in and name up to 10 materials. We have a little pouch we send that you can print the material name and keep it in the cab. So I would scroll through the material I'm going to go ahead and select. I've got my ticket printer. The scale has the capability of printing out 3-inch tickets. So let's go ahead and print a ticket. And so here's my ticket printer. It's a wireless printer. It's nice and fast. You can write in a customer name, a PO number, a truck number. You do get a customer a ticket number, and you get your bucket count. We haven't named the materials, and you'll see that we have 6,894 pounds. If I wanted to print an additional ticket, I hold down the form feed button, and I get as many tickets as I want each time I press the form feed. The scale has got a 3-year warranty. The error on it is 2% of the static tip load capacity of your machine. So if I had a 10,000 pound static tip load capacity, I would have a 200 pound error every bucket. We just had a customer last week get a 1% error on the stationary scale. It has a 0.1% failure rate, $1,495. Ships out of our office in Winona Manufacturer, where we manufacture the scale. You get free shipping in the continental United States. If I want to go ahead and I want to clear out the bucket, I hold down the 0 button. You'll see the number moving around. I'm working off of a potentiometer on my demo kit, and it's drifting a bit. If I want to clear the accumulated, I hold down the C. There is a time and date on the scale. It's a great value for the money. You can reach us toll free, 888-239-0552. Sales@scaleandcontrol.com is our email. Our web is www.scaleandcontrol.com. We look forward to having you as a valued customer.